Good morning, students. How are you? How are you doing? I hope you are doing very well. Dear students, this is your science teacher. In previous classes, we have completed first and second chapters. First chapter is food and digestion. The second chapter is teeth and microbes. Now, today we are going to start with a new chapter, safety first, second term from 4th class science. Now we will discuss about the third chapter, safety first. Safety. Newspapers carry news of accidents almost every day. Accidents cause harm to life and property. They cause pain and suffering. Accidents can be avoided if we follow safety rules. At home, at school, on the playground, and on the road. Injuries at home are mostly caused by sleeping on the floor, burns, electric shocks, and chemical poisoning. Make your home a safe place. Being aware and alert will go a long way in keeping you safe. Dear students, sometimes we hear from our elders or we see in newspapers or news channel accidents and the damages caused by the accidents. Accidents are undesirable things, incidents that happen on the road and there is loss of life. Sometimes there are serious injuries under accidents or sometimes which are not at all expected but it happens. Can we avoid it? The unserious. We can avoid it if we can follow safety rules and regulations of the road and or at whatever public places. If we follow that can avoid such accidents. Today we are going to learn few rules and few safety measures that we can take to protect ourselves to be at safe place. We hear news about accidents many times. Accidents cause harm to life. It causes pain and suffering. Have you ever thought why do they happen? Can we avoid accidents? Yes, we can avoid accidents if or by we follow safety rules at home, at school, on the playground, and most importantly on the road. Injuries at home are mostly caused by sleeping on the floor, burns, electric shocks, and chemicals poisoning. And there are these measures avoid these accidents that happen at home. Thus, we can avoid accidents or such incidents at home. But if we keep our home safe and be alert. Now, how we avoid sleeping on the floor. Safety at home. Sleeping on the floor. A person can sleep and fall on a wet floor, trip over, scatter toys or stumble down the stairs to avoid such accidents. Keep the floor at home clean and dry. This is the most important thing to avoid such accidents. Take care that the bathroom and the kitchen floors are not slippery. Why do they become slippery if the water is there for? Right amount of time if they eat lots right amount of time or if there is soapy water, if there is soap drops of soap on the floor, then that the floor is slippery. Also, if don't wash your bathrooms and kitchens regularly, then also we can be slippery. Do not leave your toys and other things lying on the floor because these toys which have these wheels it, if a person unknown these toys, this person keep the foot on the toys, he gets sleep, he might injury, small injury, so we avoid keeping the toys somewhere on the floor. Don't leave your books on toys on the ground. Don't play with the electric sockets in your room. You may trip over them and get hurt. Don't leave your books on toys on the ground. You may trip over them and get hurt. Don't play with the electric sockets in your room. Use a step ladder or a stool to reach something placed high. Yes, if you want something which is at high, we use a step ladder or a stool. Next one is bonds. Accident due to a fire in the kitchen can cause serious injury or even death. To avoid such accidents, one must not wear synthetic clothes in the kitchen. Such clothes catch fire easily. We must wear cotton cloths especially when we are in the kitchen because synthetic clothes catch fire easily. We should be very conscious when we in kitchen. If we have placed something on stove, for example, maybe to heat the milk. If it boil milk to be boiled something else, then cooking is over. If you have to off, you have to off. Don't worry about it. When not in use, gas stoves must be turned off. They must be checked regularly to avoid leakage. Next one is electric shocks. Electrical appliances make our work easy. They should be handled carefully. Do not touch electrical fittings with wet hands. You may get an electric shock. Do not play with such gadgets. You may get an electrical shock. Do not touch such gadgets when your hands are wet. You can get an electric shock. Because we can electrical appliances make our work easy but should be handled carefully. We should not touch electrical fittings with wet hands. We may get shock. Because if you touch it, certain parts on these electrical appliances are made out of metal. Such metals are good conductor of electricity. So electricity current metal passed through the metal into your body. Our body also good conductor of electricity. So don't close to instrument. Next one is do not go too close to table fans or heaters if they are on. If someone gets an electric shock or sees a spark, the main switch or the MCB miniature circuit breaker must be turned off immediately. If someone gets an electric shock or sees a spark, the main switch or the MCB must be turned off immediately. Why we can turn off? Because we turn off the main switch, we turning off the current and we can save off the person. Next, poisoning. Accidental consumption of chemicals and medicines can cause poisoning. Poisonous chemicals should be properly labeled and kept away from eatables. Poisoning. Accidental consumption of chemicals and medicines can cause poisoning. Poisonous chemicals should be properly labeled and kept away from eatables. Eatables means food. Keep these harmful chemicals away from our food. Do not take any medicine without asking an adult. Without prescription from doctors, constellation, consult without of elders, who should not take medicine, whatever will be the case. Dear students, I hope all of you understanding this class. Thank you. We will meet next class.